Hi guys, my name is Amrasad. I am thinking about Web Technology Lab response web designing using Bootstrap UI framework object create to create a response web design using Bootstrap UI framework. Description overview. Bootstrap is a free front end framework for faster and easier web development. Bootstrap includes HTML and CSS based design templates for photo, typography, forms, buttons, tables, navigation models, image and many other as well as optional JavaScript plugins. Bootstrap also gives you the ability to easily create responsive designs. What is responsive web design? And responsive web design is about creating websites automatically. Desktop setting the viewpoint where to go. Bootstrap 5 containers, Bootstrap spacing and padding and matching, and welcome to my web. The Bootstrap grid system responsive images, Bootstrap button, Bootstrap forms stacked and in inline form, Bootstrap tables, navigation bars, Bootstrap 5 models, Bootstrap 5 carousel, sample web page design. And let's see the type HTML head title experiment 7 title, and let's say href HTTPS Bootstrap 5 and real style sheet script src HTTPS Bootstrap 5 Badal min JS script navigation class navbar expand thus navbar light bg light divided class container fluid color black front white black bold black color the navbar brand javascript void the image src images width height and span class navbar toggle icon button divide calculate colors navbar colors navbar item and item nav link and javascript void home nav link item nav link javascript void product nav item nav link javascript void service nav item nav link clients nav item nav link model database target my model javascript login sign up and flex form control me2 text placeholder search button primary button search button and class row column empty class demo cursor slide cursor and indicators dots cursor indicators bottom demo and activate bottom demo and slide to 1 and bottom demo and slide to 2 slide cursor timer inner and height 650 px cursor item add to database interval 2000 cat 3131.jpg width 1500 px height 50 px d block w 100 and cursor and cursor control button demo brief and control demo next cursor control next icon uh, container fluid empty 3 and color text align and email form control form outline form label password form control and form outline form label form example address text form example intent form control and text example form control form and the text label and form label first name and last name form control checkbox input submit table and color background and registration number and the numbers of the people how many are having, and let's run the program. And we got the output, and let's see here, and we gave the mm, my mail id password and address Guntur and city Guntur and sign in to um, 533 and sign in Thank you guys by watching my video. I got on the output got, and thank you guys.